Now this simulation, you can create your atom yourself. It's simulation for building. You can let me just do something. Let's see. Now I move this one here. You see, if you observe, it's shaking because normally an atom is not supposed to have neutron alone. Let me put proton. You will see what will happen. You see, it's now stable. You can see it. You see, they even wrote stable here because that time it was unstable. Atom supposed to be stable. The protons, the neutron, everything supposed to be equal. Though I've not put electron, you see, it's showing me that this is an ion because I've not put electron. Let me put electron. Let's see. As I drop electron, you see now this is a neutral atom. So this is what we are talking about in static electricity. So by the time I rub the surface of this atom with another surface, this electron will disappear. So when this electron disappear, let me remove it now. You see now it now becomes an ion. So this is a positive charge, you can see, because you have more protons than neutrons. See, this is plus. So you have more proton than electron. Sorry, electron is less. Now that I put it, it's now neutral. Let me put another electron. Let's see. You see, now it has two electrons, one proton. So it's a negative charge. You can see minus. I believe we understand this thing. I'll try and see if I can put the link of this simulation in our Google Classroom. I'll try and put it so that you can use it to learn also. You see the way I'm putting it, I'm gaining some understanding. As I have more negative, you see this is minus. So this is what we say will happen when you are rubbing two surfaces on each other. Let me put proton and let's see what will happen. You see it's now showing neutral atom. See, it's showing neutral atom. You see, this one is stable because this can be an isotope. You remember the meaning of isotope? We say isotope exists because of the differences in neutron. So this nucleus can be, this one is stable because the number of proton is more than what is it called, a neutron. So this is just talking about isotope. So that one is for chemistry explanation. Let's leave that. Let me put another neutron. Let's see. Now we have everything two neutrons, two protons, two electrons. It's still stable. Let me increase this. Let's see what will happen. You see, it's shaking, unstable because neutrons is now more than proton. Let me put one proton and see what will happen. So three protons, three neutrons. You see, it's now stable. But you see what is happening. This is a positive charge because it's more than the electrons. Now let me balance it here. You see, it's now a neutral atom. So with this animation, I think it will make some sense to us that atoms are naturally neutral the way God designed it. But as a result of man doing his activity, you rub two material, it will lose electron. So let me lose one. And this one lose electron, you see, it now become positively charged because they are more positive here. You see now. But if it's the one that gain, let me add extra. As I add more, this one now have four electrons, three protons. So you have more negative. So you see it's showing minus. So with this animation, you will understand it better. You can see that I'm manipulating this thing myself. So I'll try and see if I can put the link so that you too can manipulate it yourself. And you are okay. Use it anytime in your personal studies to understand these atoms. Let me see what will happen in this cloud. So you can see the cloud form. So this is the name of the atom. This is a lithium atom. So the more you keep adding, you will keep having some material. You can see the periodic table sketch. You can do some other things in the simulation. You can do some other things. You can even change it, this symbol, this game. So it just depends. I'll see if I can send the link to us. So now you just click on the link, you use it or download it in your system. All right, let's close.